What on earth? No! Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel, and this week we have managed to get our hands on these G6S TWS Bluetooth earphones. They do retail at £8, that's around 10 in US dollars, and well, let's see if they're any good. First of all, the box after delivery did come pretty battered, so I just hope everything is intact. Inside the box... What on earth? No! Oh my god, guys! What have I done? What have I done? Oh, just bear with me, dudes. Just bear with me. Alright guys, it looks to me like on the Banggood website, I've gone ahead when I bought these and I've chosen Type A, which is the single earbud version. This does come without the charging percentage indicator, which is on the more expensive Type E version. They also have an in-between version, which does have dual earbuds, but without that central charge indicator. So yes, this basic A version comes with a pretty basic instruction manual. It has a short micro USB cable, and back to the earbud. So, looking at the charge case, to the front, we have a micro USB charge port. Below that, we have a USB port. So if you want to trickle charge, say your mobile phone, you can use that 3500 mAh battery to do so. The case is made out of ABS plastic in matte white, while to the top, there is a simple click hinged clear lid. There's those charging pins within the earbud embedded socket, and an LED indicator. The earphone itself comes with two standard size earbuds. There is a power pause play call answer button to the side, and when placing the earbud within a charge socket, it's helped along by a magnetic pull. The earphone will light up in red, while the case indicator will illuminate in blue. They will begin charging, and it will take around 1 hour to fully charge. This earphone will get you around 4 hours call and music playtime. Pressing and holding the side button for 5 seconds, the earphone will go into pairing mode. The earbud will flash blue and red, so simply use your device, use Bluetooth, and you should now be all hooked up. First of all, comfort. The earphone was fairly comfortable once it was really pushed into place. It did fall out now and again, but I think that's down to the small earbuds that are supplied. It is indeed IPX7 waterproof, and with the audio, this is where I've got to be quite frank. So the volume is not super loud, the mids and highs were way too over the top, and the bass level was low too. It did make me want to reduce the volume now and again, even though that volume again was just so average. The transmission distance I got to around 7 meters before the Bluetooth signal cut off, and while using the earphones for over 3 days, I did only get 3 hours 20 minutes continuous use, but that's with 100% volume being used. So overall, quite simply, it wasn't loud enough, the quality wasn't that great, and to be honest, if I was to rate this out of my usual rating out of 10, I'm going to be really quick here and give it a 3 out of 10. I think it is rather basic and a lot cheaper looking than the initial pictures depicted on the Banggood website. And I think if you're looking for some better sounding TWS earphones, then I can indeed suggest a few ones that I've recently reviewed. These ones just here. Any one of these, just wipe the floor with this one. And honestly, I think I would expect the same quality when it comes to the G6S E versions. So yes, some of these earphones are put in the video description down below. So go ahead, click the links and go get yours. And if you think this short review helped today, then please go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I see you guys over on a new review which will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!